Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scraping using ChatGPT. First, choose the target website like Amazon.com or imdb.com. I am targeting this website, booksthescrape.com, and this is how it look like. It contains some book data like cover image of the book, title, rating, price, and few more. I want to scrape all this data and I will ask ChatGPT to write Python code for me. Just go to ChatGPT site and type Web Scrape book.scrape.com using Python and beautiful soap. In case you didn't notice, I didn't mention what data I want to scrape, and we will let ChatGPT will figure it out on its own. Now ChatGPT is generating a Python code and it will be ready in few seconds. As you can see here, it's saying about some warning related to their policy, just ignore it. And our code is created in chunks. So just type write code in one file and now it will merge all code in one place. So it would be easy for us to copy and paste. Now code is ready. Let's copy this code and paste it in our app.py file. Save this file and run this using command python app.py. Look at this guys, we just scraped a website successfully. Take a look at data, we got title and price for every book from our target URL. But if I want more data, let's say I want URL link to each book, well it's easy. Just ask ChatGPT to scrape URL link for each book. Now it will modify our code so that we can scrape title, price and link for each book. Let's copy this new code and paste it here. Save it and run this file. Now we are getting title, price and URL link for each book. Let's go next level. As you can see, right now we are printing our code in console. What if we want to export all the data in some file like CSV or JSON or XML file? Well, it's easy. Just ask ChatGPT to export the data into CSV file and it will modify our code according to that. Let's copy this code and paste it. Save the file and then run this file. As you can see, we got nothing in our console, but now we have a books.csv file generated here. And this file contains all our data that we scraped from our target website. Let's take a look. There is one error here. We got this weird character instead of pound sign. This happens when we don't use UTF-8 encoding while writing to file. To correct this error, just ask ChatGPT to use UTF-8 encoding, and it will do some modification to our code. Let's copy this code and paste it. Save the file and then run this file. Now when open our book.csv file, we can see a pound sign. We can export data into JSON format and we can web scrape some other websites like Amazon or eBay. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.